And now is the time, ladies and gentlemen, we are moving for the awards presentation of Energy and Environment Foundation Global Award 2025. And to give away the award, I will be requesting Mr. Anil Rajdan, former Secretary, Power, Government of India, Chairman, Energy and Environment Foundation, to please come forward to give away the award. And ladies and gentlemen, तालियां, तारीफ और प्राइज किसी को भी दिया जाता है तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है। तो हमें थ्री इडियट का वो दोस्त नहीं बनना है जो दोस्त की खुशी में खुश नहीं है, बल्कि हमें वो दोस्त बनना है जो हमारी खुशी में खुद भी बहुत खुश है। By saying that, everybody please do not hesitate for putting your hands together. Thank you each one of you for coming forward. Dr. Anil, Mr. Balyan, Mr. V.K. Garg and Ragini Garg ma'am. The first award, the category is Platinum, Global Waste Management Technology Idol of the Year 2025, goes to Mr. Saurabh B. and team, Vice President Global Delivery Company Project, Strive. Many, many congratulations. Many congratulations, Mr. Saurabh B. and team. And ladies and gentlemen, the Global Sustainability Award 2025 in the category Platinum goes to Mr. Sanjay S. Joshi, General Manager, BEIL Infrastructure Limited. Many congratulations. As I mentioned, Taliyan, Tareef, gift and prize always bring happiness on your face. Our next category is moving on next. Our next category is Gold, and the award is Global Sustainability Award 2025. It goes to Mr. Suresh Chandra Pandey and Mr. Dinesh Chandra Solara, Chairman and Managing Director and General Manager, SKP Projects Private Limited. Many congratulations. Many congratulations, both of you. The gold winner, Global Sustainability Award 2025, SKP Project Private Limited. Our next category is Platinum, and the award is Global Sustainability Award 2025 goes to Mr. Prashant Sood and Mr. Rudresh Bhatt, VP, Organization Affair and Lead Corporate Strategy, CMO, Luthra Group, LLP. Many congratulations. Global Excellence Award Platinum winner, Luthra Group, LLP. Many congratulations. The next Global Safety Award 2025 in the category of Platinum goes to Mr. Saha S&T, team, Chief General Manager, Power and Utilities, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Kochi Refinery. Many congratulations. Our next Global Safety Award 2025 in the category of Platinum goes to Mr. Raghav Agarwal, Director, GTC Oilfield Service Limited. Many, many congratulations. Many congratulations, Mr. Raghav Agarwal. Our next award is in the gold category, Global Environment Award 2025, and it goes to Mr. Akash R. Kanan and team, Senior Manager, Environment, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Kochi Refinery. Many, many congratulations. Awards and rewards push you forward for more success. The next category is Platinum, and the award is Global Environment Award 2025, and it goes to Mr. Barun Adhikari and team, Project Manager, IDT Cementations India Limited. Many, many congratulations. IDT Cementation India Private Limited. Many, many congratulations, Mr. Barun Adhikari and team. Everybody, please give it up for this moment. Moving on next, our next category is Platinum, and the award is Global Energy Efficiency Award 2025. Goes to Mr. Rajat Saxena, Mr. Hemendra Sharma and Mr. Paras Jain, Assistant Manager, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Bina Refinery. Ladies and gentlemen, our next category is gold. And this gold category, the award is Global Water Leadership Award 2025, goes to Mr. Mangal Sirish Kardile and team, proprietor, K Consultancy. Many congratulations. Please come forward. Many congratulations. Global Excellence Award, the gold winner for Global Water Leadership Award 2025 goes to K Consultancy. Our next award is in the category of Platinum, Global Hydrogen Refueling Station of the Year 2025 goes to Mr. Rajan Nair and team, Business Head, Renewable Energy, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Renewable Energy Business Unit. देखिए तालियों में वो बात नहीं है. We have arranged a tea coffee session for you after the award ceremony. So please be enthusiastic. Many congratulations, Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Renewable Energy Business Unit. Our next category is Platinum, and the award is Global Waste Met Award 2025. And it goes to Mr. Jitendra Bhargava and Mr. Nikit Bhutani, GM, Corporate Affairs and Marketing Manager, Greenergy Dynamics Private Limited. Many, many congratulations. Re-Energy Dynamics Private Limited. Global Waste Met Award 2025 goes to you. Ladies and gentlemen, तालियों की एक खासियत होती है, ये बाजार में नहीं मिलती और सिर्फ खुशियों में बजाई जाती है। और सुंदर लड़की की बात तो भगवान भी मानते हैं, आप भी मान लीजिए। बार बार बुलवा रहे हैं मुझे, शास्त्रों में पाप कहा गया है इसे। Moving on next, and next award is in the category of Platinum Global Waste Water Treatment Award 2025 goes to Mott McDonald's Private Limited, Mr. Tanmay Bhatt and team. Principal Civil Engineer, please come on stage. Many congratulations. The Platinum winner Global Waste Water Treatment Award 2025, Mott McDonald's Private Limited. Many congratulations. Our next award in the category of gold is Global Smart Hydrogen Private Project Plant of the Year goes to Zero Footprint Industries, Mr. Anurag Agrawal and Mr. Amit Modi, co-founders. Many congratulations. Moving on next, there is a very special award. Presentation of Energy and Environment Foundation Global Excellent Award 2025 in Renewable Energy Sector. We are requesting everybody to please give the award to Mr. Gurdeep Singh, CMD, NTPC Limited. For some reason, he is not there here. On behalf of him, Ms. Sangeeta Kaushik, ED, Corporate Planning, will receive the award. Everybody, please give a huge round of applause. Many congratulations. Now I'll be thanking everybody for being consistent with us, but we are not done yet. Ladies and gentlemen, there outside there is a photo booth. I'll be requesting each one of you to please go there and click your picture. And now I'll be requesting all our dignitaries to kindly settle down. And by the time we are taking picture, many congratulations to all the awardees. Thank you very much, all the senior dignitaries, for sparing their time, standing on stage and giving away the award. And I utilize this time to say thanks to the photography team, the technical team, the back-end team, all the girls who are helping us in sari. Thank you very much. We have few more awards left. I'll request everybody to stay back.